Islam literally mended the relationship that I had with my mother, and let me explain why. Growing up, I lived with my mum. She was single, and I'm also a single child. So it was literally just me and my mum. And because of that, I feel like we had a lot of conflicts. We had a lot of fights. At the time was atheist, so was she. And we had no really belief system. And I guess like you go through the period of being a teenager and you don't really have that real respect and love for all that my mum did for me in this time. Of course, I've always loved my mum dearly and truly deep down my whole life. But, you know, we got in a lot of fights and it led me to wanting to move out at a very young age. I wanted to move out at 16 years old. Looking back at it, it probably broke my mum's heart, and that makes me very sad to talk about. Fast forward to 2022 when I reverted to Islam, alhamdulillah, and I started to really want to actively repair and build a stronger bond with my mum. We do live 2.5 hours away from each other, and that was due to work opportunities in the city, but it will never change my love for my mum. I feel like what makes it more special is that when I told my mum that I'd reverted to Islam, she was so supportive of me, and it mended that feeling of like, no matter what you're going through or no matter what you do, your mum will be your biggest supporter. And in Islam, they say that the mum is emphasized 3 times before the father. When I see my mum now, she always mentions how Islam has made me a better person and has allowed me to treat her with more love, more kindness, and be more gentle with her. She will never have to hold her bags again. But whether you're a Muslim or not Muslim, just go tell your mother that you love her. Go hug her, okay? Because this dunya is short, okay?